we're going to factor trinomials this time, where instead of it being ax squared plus bx plus c, I'm going to put a minus right here and show you how to handle these problems. So I want to factor this trinomial, meaning I'm going to unfoil it, so to speak. If I foiled them together, this would have been the solution. I want to see, well, what was the problem? So two sets of parentheses. The first terms had to be x. X times x is the x squared. Now, I need the numbers to multiply to give me 12 or add or subtract to give me 8. Okay, so the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, and 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Now, when I say add or subtract, I've got to think about could they add or subtract to give me a negative 8. So if I add these, I get 13. If I subtract them, I get 11. That doesn't work. If I subtract these, I get 4. If I add them, I get 8. This one works. I wanted it to be 8. And you always have to check the last one because sometimes there are 2 that will work. If I add, if I subtract these, I get 1. If I add them, I get 7. So that one didn't work. I am going to use 2 and 6. It doesn't matter if the 2 and the 6 are in this order or the other order. It does not matter, as long as that x has 1s in front of it. Now, here's something new for you. To multiply to give me 12, they had to be the same sign. So I know that these two signs have to be both positive or both negative, because if this is plus, they're the same as each other. Now, to know easily what they're going to be, just look to the B sign. This B sign is minus, then that means they're both going to be negative. I'll put a negative here and a negative there. Now let's FOIL to check. And we'll FOIL quickly. The first terms are x's, x squared. The outside terms are negative 6x. The inside terms are negative 2x. And the last terms are positive 12. Negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x. So I have x squared minus 8x plus 12. If I go back and check, yes, perfect. So my solution is right here in either order. Now let's do that one more time. My two sets of parentheses, my first terms will be w this time. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Now, could that add or subtract to give me 4? Yes, it can. I can get a 4 if I add them. So I've got 3 and 1. Now remember, this plus right here tells me that the signs will be the same as each other. The only way I'm going to get a positive 3 by multiplying is that they're the same. They're either both positive or both negative. Look right here and you'll know what they're going to be. This is negative, so they're both going to be negative. Negative 3, negative 1. All right, let's FOIL to check. W times w is w squared. The outside is negative w. The inside is negative 3w. And the last is a positive 3. All right, so w squared, combine these two, I get negative 4w plus 3. Go back and see, is that what we started out with? Yes, it is. So my solution is right here.